Okay, so I actually did end up getting a response from Duino. They said, yep, let me know if anything else needs a cleanup. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that Gmail account because I figured out which one I was looking for over there on the Chromebook. That's also where the TED TikToks were made. So I will go here, pick that one, okay, and Duino 22.3, okay, Duino 22.3. Duino 22.3, Duino 22.3, Duino 22.3, Duino 22.3, Duino 22.3. Okay. Since I am not completely sure if those other accounts got deregistered, if you don't mind checking them, that would be absolutely amazing. How do you, like, save it? Okay. Okay. So I just need to make sure Duino 22.3 is what I remembered. Draft saved, okay. So now if I go back here, okay, and I say, there we go. Up, do I do it? Again, comma, I apologize for making you have to go through this. Since I'm not... Okay, send that. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. That was the update, and bye-bye.